Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be stripping down the Peugeot. Just take off the front bumper, the lights, wheel liners, just to see the damage. We'll probably take off the crash bar. We might take this off just to have a look behind it and put it back for a minute, because the legs and everything and the support that this holds onto, the slam panel holds onto, is all fine, but we just need to double check. But yeah, basically we're just going to strip this down and make sure everything's put away nicely. We can check the bumper out properly as well then, take that panel off, and just so we know what we need to buy basically. But yeah, Grant's going to get on with that. Take the headlights out first. Right, we've jacked it up, we've got this side, we've got this wheel off. Just taking the wheel liner off. It's all plastic clips, so pain in the ass. Better than the torque screws that are all rusted though, I guess. Anything. Just need to get to it so you can get the clips out here. As you see my other video on the Peugeot, the old one I had.
There's two torque screws in it.
Oh, there is two torques, is there?
One there.
No, that's what we mean. Like, look at that. Look at that.
The one over there.
Get them out as well then.
I think they're torques. What's your torque set look like nowadays then?
Yeah, that's alright.
Look at it went from like light dark.
To just dark instantly, yeah, they're all there. Alright, Grant's took off the wheel liner. We've taken the front bumper off, this side anyway. Just some bolts and screws, loads of them on the floor there. We're just going to put this wheel back on now, then go down to the other side, do the same thing, instead of having to put it on axle stands and that. But yeah, that side's all off. So you take the bumper off first, then the light. You see it like hooks over. So we've got that half off, so we'll put the wheel back on now. We'll repeat the same on that side. See the state of that. That's all needing changed. But from the looks of it, the bumper is absolutely spot on. So the lights. So that's good. Get this wheel back on now and get to the other side.
What's the headlight?
Alright, we've removed the front bumper. Just removed that headlight. As you can see, that leg is actually spot on. Even the crash bar, that's not even... I don't think that is bent. That may be a little bit slightly there. It might be factory that though. Them legs are straight. So he's bent in the centre there. Get this headlight off now. And then we can check that one out. So it needs a radiator. It's all the front basically, all this bit. Whole slam panel, all the radiators, all the rads. But everything else seems alright. Obviously it was only a cat end anyway, but just check everything. Bottle looks fine. Pipes look fine. Yeah. Engine mount does look a bit weird, but it might be, I think it's meant to be like that. I was keeping this video playing, but
What do you want me to do? It won't come off.
not like the
I
piss.
feel like I'm pulling the light out. Oh, do you know what would help? They're gonna bolt out the side.
Ah, nice one.
That doesn't help me take the connector off. Right?
We'll leave this in. This fucking motor.
So I pretty much did it anyway then.
I mean...
Ta-da!
Alright, let's look at this side. Yep, the leg looks spot on. It's not bent or anything, so that's good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Very happy. Alright, it's been a couple of days since my last cutting, but we're back on it today. Just removing the crash bar. So we'll get this off. We'll get the bonnet latch off, and the slam panel, all the radiators and that. And got some new parts in the back here. Got it in there. Haven't got the crash bar yet, but thought we'll get all that sorted. And then just leave the crash bar off, and when we get that we can just slap it right on. Put the bumper back on, headlights in, and then just need the new bonnet. which I think I might be stealing off a car, this other car I've got, just for a minute. Until we can get one of these, because sometimes they're a mission to get. Yeah, we've got all these out. Looks like the horn's broken as well. Get a new one of them, they're like a tenner or something. Loosen the bolt back here, no? Bolt back there is free on there. Right, we'll get this off and then come back in. Right, so we've removed the crash bar. We've removed the AC condenser. The radiator looks absolutely spot on. I can't see a thing wrong with it. So obviously it's not leaking or anything. Obviously I'm changing that, the slam panel, but I'm going to leave the radiator so that I don't have to mess with the coolant, which saves me a lot of time as well. So what we'll do now, we've unbolted this. So yeah, I'll just remove the clips here for the radiator, push that back a little bit. Same with this one. Actually, Cal, get us probably 7mm they are on there. Remove them clamps off. So yeah, we'll remove that and then get this off as well. But I want to leave the radiator on because it's spot on. I'll have another check of obviously when the thing's off so I can have a better look, but that'll be fine. Alright, we've removed everything now. Got the radiator off and everything because kind of annoying, but that's the bottom. Meant to have these little things here that stick up, and that side snapped off. So got a new one here, new used deluxe. Just gonna pop that on here now, put everything back together. Just need to wait on the crash bar, but we'll get all that mounted back up. The AC condenser that came with this one is absolutely knackered. It's worse than that one, so get a new one of them as well. But yeah, we'll build all this back up. Pretty straightforward. Just put the pipes back on, the connectors. Well, I can't put them AC lines on yet, but they just literally, the slam panel just sits on here, either side, and it puts one bolt in the top. But these legs here, absolutely spot on, straight as anything. So yeah, connect all this back up. It looks like it's been leaking out of here or somewhere. Had a little look, can't really tell. Oh, there is this broken, whatever this is. So I'm gonna need to look into that. Fix that actually first. Alright, obviously because of that little thing that's broken here. What's it? I don't even know what it is, to be honest with you. Something to do with the coolant or something, I think. So we need to buy a new one of them, so we get that tomorrow. So I'm just gonna put gloves in all the pipes and that to hide it, like so nothing gets in them. I'm gonna put the old, the new oil. No, what is it?
Brand new second-hand intercooler.
Yeah, that's the one. Brand new second-hand intercooler. It's too cold, man. I can't think. I'm gonna get that on. Put the brand new second-hand used slam panel on as well. We'll just put it in place just so it's not in the way, but not gonna connect it up or anything. And then we're gonna leave it till probably the weekend now. Just changing them pipes over because the new one we got was worse than our old ones, so get them changed over and then just kind of put it there, sit it on. Alright guys, so we've put this back together, like just kind of sat it there just so we can get on with it when we get back. I just don't want the parts lying around on the floor and stuff, so put the intercooler on, that's all attached now. But we put the slam panel, we just kind of sat it there with the radiator and that. But yeah, that's all back together. It starts fine. I mean, obviously I haven't started it now because it's got no coolant in it, but it was starting fine earlier and all that. We just need to get that little, I don't even know what it was. It was like, had like a piston inside of it and stuff. This tiny little black box. Something to do with the coolant temperature or something, I think. So we just need to buy one of them, get that sorted, then we can put it all back together. Get a new AC condenser, get the crash bar, bumper and all that, and good to go. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. This is how it's looking at the minute. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you later.